Hello guys, and welcome to another review. If you're new here, this channel is all about breaking down tools in a simple, honest way, so you can decide what's actually worth your time and money. The world of AI agents is exploding, and it's hard to know which platform actually delivers. Every week there's a new automation tool promising to run your business for you. Today, we're putting Lindy Ai under the microscope. Is it the best AI agent builder of 2026, as some claim? Or is it just another tool with big promises that sound great on a landing page, but fall short in practice? We've scoured their official site to bring you a completely unbiased overview of what Lindy offers, its standout benefits, and the critical drawbacks you should consider before jumping in. If you're a Shopify store owner thinking about automating support, order processing, lead follow-ups, or internal tasks, this is the Lindy Ai honest review you've been looking for. As we wrap up, it's clear that Lindy Ai presents a formidable package for business automation. Its vision of providing a simple, prompt-driven interface to create a managed AI workforce is compelling, especially for non-technical users who don't want to build complex workflows. You can describe what you want in plain English and let the system handle the logic. Its strong emphasis on enterprise reliability and integration means it's built to work with real tools like email, CRMs, calendars, and internal databases. The reported time savings and efficiency gains from real customers are its strongest selling points, particularly for teams drowning in repetitive tasks. Yet its suitability isn't universal. The potential high cost and the need for well-defended processes are significant factors to weigh. If your workflows are messy or undefined, an AI agent can amplify that chaos. And for solo founders or small Shopify stores just getting started, the price might feel steep compared to simpler automation tools. Lindy offers 4 main pricing tiers based on monthly credits. The free plan provides 400 credits for up to 40 tasks, which is great for testing simple automations and understanding how the system works. The Pro plan, at $49.99 monthly, offers 5,000 credits, up to 15 tasks, and 30 phone calls, ideal for small teams experimenting with real workflows. The Business tier, at $199.99, increases the allowance to 20,000 credits and 100 phone calls, making it better suited for growing operations. For large-scale needs, the Enterprise plan features custom pricing, unlimited phone calls and knowledge base storage, priority support, and volume-based discounts, clearly targeting companies that want AI baked deeply into their operations. Before you go, if this review helped clear things up, give the video a quick thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more honest breakdowns of tools like this, from AI platforms to business software that actually moves the needle, make sure you're subscribed. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're trying to automate in your business. I read every one, and it helps shape future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.